calling Xbox customer support. My name is Oswald. Can I have your name, please?
Hung.
Spell that for me, please.
H-U-N-G.
Last name?
Like a moose.
Spell it.
L-I-K-A-M-O-O-S-E.
Can I call you calling or do you prefer Mr. Like a Moose?
Mr. Like a Moose.
Mr. Like a Moose. How may I help you today?
I just stuck my penis in my Xbox insert, and it really hurts and it's not coming out now.
Really? Do that.
I thought it would work.
Okay, so how may I help you?
I need to know what kind of lube I should buy to get this out.
Press the eject button and just get out. That works.
It's not working.
Okay, well, I'm gonna recommend you to call the 911 service and ask them to assist you. Okay?
So you don't know what kind of lube I should buy?
Recommend that your penis has been stuck on the console and it's hurting. You should dial the emergency service so they can assist you medically. Otherwise, I cannot help you with that.
Are you sure?
Okay? Yeah, I'm sure, Mr. Like Moose.
Are you sure you can't come to my house and help me pull it out?
No, I'm sorry. I'm not going to your house and help you pull it out. That's something that the doctors are going to need to do, okay?
Well, I'm scared of doctors.
Okay, well, they might have a nice-looking nurse that you might have to look at.
I'm gay.
Can I keep your reference number, please, to keep a record of the call?
No. You can't.
Okay, well, thank you for calling Xbox Customer Support.
You're not welcome.
Xbox.com and have a great day.
Hey, guess what? Guess what? Hello? Homo?
Oh my god. Oh my god. That was the funniest thing anyone has ever said. Miss a moose. That was beautiful. Yeah, Dylan. You just missed that whole conversation. Oh my
So sad.
god. Can't you come over here and help me pull it out? Maybe there'll be a pretty nurse.